So in the earlier video, we talked about the range function. So now I'm going to show you how we can apply the range function in a loop. Alright. So what we're going to do is we're going to say for num in range 10 print num. Alright, so basically what we're going to do, we're going to be printing alright all the numbers starting from 0 all the way to 9. Okay, so that is the first way, correct? Using range with just a single number inside. So range 10 means from 0 to 9. Okay, now if I change this, for example 10 to 20, then I will print from 10 all the way to 19. Alright, so this is the second way. Now the third way is, again, I can put in some increment. So it will be 10, 13, 16, 19. Alright, it will end at 19. Alright, so this is basically how you can use range. Okay, you can use range within the context, okay, within the context of a loop. Alright, now of course we are still learning the basics, how to implement, and as we practice more and more, okay, different types of applications, we will be able to better understand when to use the while loop, when to use the for loop, and how I can incorporate the use of range inside the loops. Alright, so thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.